When we brought her back to the back to Phoenix, that was in May of 2019. This was before COVID. I went to 5 different places that supposedly had ventilators because I knew my mom had to be on a ventilator, and I learned everything. Well, when she finally got strong enough to come home, she still needed help. I mean, she, you know, one of the things we had to help her with was it was 120. Well, you guys do meters. It was 120 feet for her to go from her favorite chair to the bathroom, and then we put in like I put in railings for her to lean on while she went down the hall because her strength wasn't too good. Um, the last thing she said to me, which she did pass away, but I was giving her a shower. I didn't have to be at work till 10:30 in the morning, so I gave her a shower, and I was completely wet, and I just changed into other clothes. And I said, "Hey, I'll be here for dinner tomorrow night." My mom goes, "I love you, Sally. Thank you for helping." And unfortunately, she passed away that night. She got a blood clot in her heart, and she had a heart attack. But I mean, those were the last words she said to me, which I thought were beautiful. I mean, it's the nicest thing I could think of.